So I'm giving you access, means I'm giving you like means I'm showing you how you can create a role permission in the AWS cloud also. You can see here, this is the AWS Cloud Console. This is you can see this is a GCP console, means this is a Google Cloud, and this is AWS Cloud. Okay. Now I wanted to check for the roles and permission. Just search for the roles IAM, or sorry, you can search for IAM because roles will be inside this. You can see roles, policies, right? Searching for this IAM. Once this IAM will open, I will click on this role. So you see, I have already created many roles. You can see this, right? If you want to create a new role in this AWS, you don't need to select the project. In Google, we need to select the project, but in AWS, we don't need to select it. You can for every project you can create a new account and you can access it. While going to the specific service, then inside that specific service you need to create a project. Okay, in GCP you need to select at the top itself, right? In AWS, when you go inside the specific service, then you need to select it. Like suppose inside this AWS you want to go for suppose storage. S3 is a storage in AWS. You will go inside some specific service and then you create a project. Now let me show you how you can create a policy. Click on this role inside this IAM. Go to this IAM. Click on the role. Create role. Once you click on this role, you need to select the service. Which service you want. Okay. So select a service from here. For example, S3. Just like a cloud storage, GCP, we have a storage rise. In AWS, we have a storage with the name S3. Now suppose I wanted to give access of this S3. Allow S3 to call and I wanted to give access, right? So how I will going to do that? Select S3. Okay. Click on this next permission. Once you click on this next permission, it will going to create that role here. Now it will going to ask you what are the service that you want to, what are the different kind of policy in the sense the role, maybe administrator role you want, or you want to get access of Amazon Alexa, something like that. For example, I'm taking just random now. You can search it also from here, S3, and you can see S3 access IoT full access I wanted to give. Okay, or let me take this one, S3 storage one. This is the policy name. Then click on this next tag. Then you add some key. Key is just, it's a random optional part. It's not mandatory. Just I'm adding this key and value so that I can remember it with some tag. Tag means just we say na, in Facebook we tag you. Tag means adding a label to that person. Means suppose Abhishek, I tag you one post. I tag you one image. It means I'm tagging you something post or some image to you so you can see it. Similarly here we are tagging this detail so it will help us to identify that policy. Click on this next, give a role name. Okay, then you click on this create role. You see it is processing now, and this role has been created successfully. You can see the message has been, you obtain the message that role AWS S3 access has been created successfully. Now you search for your role that you have created, right? I check it. Now once you check this, okay, go to the policy. Now here, right? Now you search for that policy or that you have created it, or even if you, but like suppose if you select it from here, you can able to see it. What are the policy that is added? This is a S3 access you have given it. Okay. Now suppose you wanted to give access to the particular user. So you go to the user, select this checkbox. Okay. So you can see this the user, particular the username will be appear to whom you want to give an access, right? So like this, the policies are there, and you can do one thing. You can go here, search for that particular service. Okay, let me search it here. AWS says S3. Oh, inside this row, this one. Once you click on this, okay, AWS S3 access, click on this. You will get a detail like what are the service that you have added here, what is the like, and you want to attach policy, right? Click on this attach policy. So inside this attach policy, you can select it as I said you. Like you wanted to give access of any S3's bucket and all. S3 is a storage, right? So if you want to give a S3 full access, you can attach a policy to that and you can give it an access to it. So it is very easy. Once you keep on practicing on any cloud, you will able to get an access. So hope it is clear to you, right? How to create a policy, right? Is it clear to